Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am even more excited than the last video. Today I actually am going to try the Kristin Ess flat iron. So this is the 3-in-1 flat iron by Kristin Ess. She just came out with it like maybe a week ago, maybe a little more. I did a full unboxing. If you go to my channel, I will also link it in here so that it'll be easier to get to. So I haven't plugged it in at all yet. I wanted to kind of do a real time, see how long it takes to get hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in now. Okay. Oh, so here it has a little indication. I actually didn't know that this was where it shows you how hot it is. So on the inside here, there's a power button. I'm gonna push that. And it says off still. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now it's getting started. 365 and it's blinking. I'm assuming that means it's heating up. So if you push it again, there's 400, 440, and then back to 280. So I'm gonna start with 365 because my hair is a lot thicker and I've been flat ironing my hair for a little while, so I kind of know how it goes about. So right now it is, actually it's already hot. I just plugged it in, it's already really hot. So I'm gonna let that hang out here for a second while I tell you about my hair type. So my hair is pretty thick and it's medium length. It's starting to get longer, I'm growing it out. Down here it is color treated, so it was lightened. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So this is supposed to be a 3-in-1. You're supposed to be able to flat iron your hair, so straighten it. You're also supposed to wave it and curl it. So I'm gonna just kind of test out all sorts of different techniques here. So I think I'm gonna start by flat ironing this section. So the outside is not hot, which is nice. So I'm just gonna grab a little section here and then kind of run through really fast so I can see how hot it is first. I've never used this before. Okay. So that was just like a really quick run through. You can already see it's a lot smoother. So let's try that again. I just washed my hair last night. Okay, no snagging. That's really nice. Sometimes you can feel the little like, I don't know, pulling of the hair when you're flat ironing. So that was really smooth. I'm doing it really, really lightly because I'm afraid to burn my hair. So I'm just being very, very careful. Okay. And I do usually, whenever I'm straightening the front of my hair, kind of bend it out. So, wow, okay. I'm really liking this so far. So let's do another section. And I am not a professional at all. This is just me using my personal flat iron. So that's one pass through. Like that. And this isn't even the hottest setting. So I can imagine that if you have even coarser hair than I do, this probably will work very well. And it also has a lower temperature for those with finer hair. Yeah, my hair feels really soft already. So I really like that for straightening. Let's try and do a curl. So I'll do it on this side here. And so what I like to do is kind of have it this direction, and then it's supposed to be able to wave it really nicely because the end is curled or curved, so. Okay. So that was really quick here. Let me try that again. Again, I'm like being really, really cautious because I don't know how hot this thing gets. I'm not used to the heat. That's really nice. So that's just like a really nice light wave. Let me try to do something a little bit tighter. So take even a smaller section and pull it through. Yay. Look at how bouncy that is. Okay. Now I'm sold. Now I'm sold. Now that I've used it, I really want to recommend this to people. This is really pretty. Let's go again. I'm trying to keep it within the boundaries of the flat iron this time. That's so nice. And let's try to straighten the ends out a little bit. Make a little bit beachier. Okay, so I actually decided that I wanted to make my hair straight because it is a flat iron after all, and that's probably why people, for the most part, are going to buy this. But, so what I noticed was after doing half of this only took like 5 minutes, by the way. This is like half my hair. So I parted it up. This is what I usually do. I kind of part it up and clip it up, and then I kind of go throughout and just do small sections. And what I noticed was that if you do smaller sections, it actually goes a lot faster. I started doing big sections and then it still kind of had a little bit of a wave to it, and that's not really, you know, ideal. So what I did was I took a lot smaller sections and then I just ran through once and it was done. So I'm gonna try and show you on camera. So here's the other half of my hair. So, oh, check it out here. So I'm just gonna start here. And then, so this section, I'm just making sure it's really flat. And I actually bumped it up to 400 because I feel pretty comfortable with it now. And so I'm just gonna run it through. Like, that is so amazing. And I'm trying to balance it here on my kitchen table. So, okay, so there's that. I'm just gonna do the rest of it on camera. Feel free to fast forward if you want or whatever, but I just wanted you to get the hang of it, just to see how it goes. Wow, I am so impressed. My hair looks so shiny, which normally my hair is like fairly on the dull side because I have processed it so much, at least toward the ends. Up the darkest stuff at the top here is my natural. There. That's already flat ironed. Here. And as you can see, like, because this just feels so second nature to me, if I take a section that's more horizontal, so if it's more horizontal like this, I'm taking the flat iron this direction. Ooh, man, that gets hot. And then if I take a section that is more vertical, like this, then I run it up and down. All right, there we have it. I think I did all of this in about 10 minutes. And I have pretty thick hair too, so I think this looks so amazing. And it was so fast. So there we have it. This is the flat iron, the 3-in-1 flat iron by Kristin Ess. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off with a little bit of Kristin Ess's Refine Signature Finishing Spray. And this helps keep it shiny and keep the frizz away. Let's smooth it out. All right, I'm sold, you guys. I'm sold. All right, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and feel free to subscribe and let me know what other videos you want to see. I will see you guys later. Bye.